back to my channel. So today I have an unboxing. I have a first impression and a makeup tutorial in the same video. About 3 days ago, I received my BRETMAN Rock's highlighting palette. And today I received a package from ColourPop. Let's open this because this one, I can't wait. So this one right here is the new collection of Eva and ColourPop. I needed some scissors, but
what is this? Wow. Oh my god, I'm so excited.
Okay, so let's see what's in here. I love it when you call me Big Poppy. And here it is. Oh my god, I'm so excited. First here we got the Eva Gutowski Vacation Mode ColourPop Shadow Palette. So first of all, look at this packaging. I love it. Oh my god, look how pretty. Oh, I love it. She has two different palettes, but this one's the one that I got. This one right here is Shotgun. This one is Teeny Bikini. This one is Mahalo, and this one is Round Trip. So let's do a quick swatch. Oh yes. Oh, I love it. These are the colors, starting from Shotgun all the way to Round Trip. Next we have the liquid lipsticks. I love that they're all different packaging. Here we have the 3 ultra glossy lip. So let's start with this one. This one's called Just Served. Look how pretty. Wow. This is amazing. Can you see that? Okay, so next one is, this one is Love Bite. Ooh. I love this. It is. This one right here. And the last one is Party Wave. Oh yes. That's the other one. Next we got the Mermaid Glow Face Duo. Okay, and this is how they look. This one is Siren, and this one is Golden Hour. A Siren is just a light blush, and this one is a beautiful highlight. Okay, so that's all for the Eva's collection. They were all beautiful. I love this. The combination of colors, the pigmentation, everything is amazing here. So we're gonna be using this later on, but first I want to show you the Babe in Paradise BRETMAN Rock highlighting palette. This is the BRETMAN Rock's highlighting palette box. We have BRETMAN right there, and inside it has the palette, and it also brings fan brush. What I love is that it is very thin, but at the same time it has a very good quality. And the palette, it has a message right here, and down here are the highlights. I already swatched this on my Instagram, but I'm gonna swatch it here anyways. So the first one right here, it's called Bahat Girl. I believe that's how you pronounce it. You know, he talks like that. I think it is the Hat Girl. That's the worst impression ever. But anyways, let's swatch this. Yes. The next one is Agation. Ooh. The next one is Mahu. I don't know how do you pronounce it actually, but it says Mahu. Yes. The next one is Get Laid. Oh, the next one, I love this. The next one is called Yahoo! I'm not Hawaiian, so I don't have the best impression of Maui's scream thingy. I know that's a thing there when they're celebrating You know that we normally in Puerto Rico we say "wepa," well they say "yee-hoo." It's the same thing, I guess. I don't know. Anyway, here. Oh yes. I don't know if this is focusing at all. Anyway, and the next one is Shady B because we don't have. Yes. Let's start with our eyes. I'm gonna be using my Wet n Wild, doesn't have a name brush. And I'm gonna be using Mahalo as a transitioning color. I don't know if that's the right word, but I know people say that. So I'm just gonna say what I hear. Next, I'm gonna be using Shotgun. And Shotgun is a very dark purple, so I'm gonna be using it on my outer corner. What I'm gonna be using first, this small eyeshadow brush, just so I can have control of where I'm putting my eyeshadow. I'm gonna blend it out with this brush from Morphe. It doesn't have a name, so using Teeny Bikini from right here, and I'm gonna use that one on my lid. I'm gonna use just a normal eyeshadow brush. Now we're gonna use Round Trip, and we're gonna use that one on our brow bone and also on the inner corner. For this one, again, I'm gonna be using the small eyeshadow brush. Okay, so now I'm gonna add highlight and blush. Since we have the BRETMAN Rocks palette, but we also have a highlighter from the Eva collection. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use the blush from the Eva's collection, and I'm gonna use the highlight from the BRETMAN Rocks collection. This one. I'm just gonna finish my look here, and then I'm gonna move you guys so you can actually see what's going on. Okay, so now the last step will be my lips. I think I'm gonna use Love Bite because Love Bite was my favorite one. Okay, so I just used the Eva's collection. I did not put any mascara, any eyeliner. I just used the collection. So this is my eyes. I love the colors. Okay, so overall, I feel like they did an amazing job. And honestly, I can't wait to have my own makeup collection. This makes me so excited. Anyways, there's the dog. So anyways, oh, he's so sleepy. So anyways, guys, that's all I have for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Bye!